Welcome to all to KSN Structural Engineering classes. This class, first of all, this is not a class where I am covering problems or any structural concept. This is detailed explanation. But still remember, whatever I conduct, I call class only because this is nothing but pre-requirement for the course coming. That all will be classes only. So I will call everything as class only. And I never call anything as video. You know it already. Details of systematic and complete course. I will tell you why I am telling systematic and complete it later. For engineering mechanics, strength of materials and structure analysis. As we go further and further, every time telling engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structural analysis, laborious. So I use short form, EM, SOM or SOM and SA. People will understand. Now, I already uploaded one class earlier, around 1 week earlier, where I told announcement. There you can see some details, brief details, along with my request for support to the channel. That you can see in the link given in that class. You can, in the description, a link is given, you can go through it, and what I call support means two parts. One, more and more people should utilize this opportunity of learning. Second one, I am going to stop all my paid classes or paid courses, only conducting service-oriented courses. Right now, these three, I will tell you a little later, extension. So therefore, even for my requirements, I need some financial support also from all those who are utilizing this course or this opportunity to learn. That details all you can see in the description. Click the link there. You can see that in my handwriting, some 2 pages I written there. Go through it. That's all. I won't discuss further. Now, engineering mechanics, strength of materials and structural analysis are the 3 basic subjects for structural engineering. Right now, I am starting this one. I will tell this as systematic and complete because each and everything, nothing will be left out. It will be a complete course, very systematically. And explanation will be crystal clear with all the concept, without a single technical mistake. Single technical mistake not only here, for anything in future also. Therefore, these 3 subjects I am going to start in the first one. Then I will see how is the response and support I get. Yes, if I am happy or if I am feeling comfortable, I will extend further for other subject or continue for further structural subjects so that entire structural engineering is covered, like RCC, steel structures, pre-stressed concrete, even nowadays more popular flat slab design is there, flat slab design. Then some bridges, design of bridges, and some advanced subject in structural analysis, that is matrix method, finite element method, and then structural dynamics, etc. This I will announce later. First I will complete these 3. Now, I was in 2 minds. Shall I update daily each class duration of around 1 hour or alternate days? See, if I take daily with the duration of within 1 hour, say 35-40 minutes like that, sometimes some examples you cannot cover. You take half to the next class. So I have decided finally to make it alternate days, that is weekly. It comes 3.5, not 3.5, 4. I will upload the class on Mondays, every week, Monday, then Wednesdays, Fridays, and also Saturday. Each class duration may be around 1.5 hours. Some rare cases, if requirement is there, it may be even up to 2 hours also. So you can study per day, you require 1 hour study. If you study 1 hour per day and go through all this, I will guarantee you will get complete control on structural knowledge required for many people. First of all, I will tell for academic purpose, people who are going to write examinations, that is studying engineering, BE, BTech, etc., or even MTech also. Second one, for those who are preparing for competitive examinations. Last but least, the most important, those who want to gain complete structural knowledge or those who want to become a competent structural engineering, that is those who are making the profession of structural design. For all of them, this course very useful. Of course, no doubt, I will continue further also. As I told earlier also I told, I am not a person who is giving good speech. You can make out. My fluency will come when I turn this way and start writing on the board structural part. Then there is nothing to hesitate. Here, little thinking I have to do because I never come prepared, neither for this explanation class nor for the classes. And one by one, I will explain now. First of all, remember, I will tell in the beginning only. You should give full dedication for this one. It is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to learn and get thorough structural knowledge. And one more thing, you can see in the YouTube, see, this is uploaded in the YouTube. You can see so many courses there. I don't want to comment too much on that one. Majority of people, they upload for publicity purpose, so that when they become popular, when they start paid courses, people will join. My purpose is not that one. My purpose is pure service oriented. That is giving structural engineering education not only for you, if you take care by spreading this one to many people, I will tell one fine day, I can tell to the entire world. After I start the course, you go through the course, then you see, you decide whether I deserve that much support or whether I deserve that my structural engineering classes should spread across the globe. If you feel, then you can give information and pass on the message to many people. So do it also. It is request from my side. How to support or how to make it to known to many people, social media, you know what to do. Some people call sharing here, some Telegram, I don't know those things all. So anyway, you know all these things. I don't want to talk about that one. Nowadays, I don't have to tell how to share to others. So see that you share this one to maximum possible. That is one important support you have to give me, so that after completing these three, I will go to further and complete the entire structural engineering. Second support I already told in that class, that is for my requirements. Now I won't tell further now. Already told in the previous class link description, click the link. Now, coming to these three subjects, I am starting now. See, some will tell. Already last time he announced it. Again he is telling same thing, I am doing it. There is a reason for it. First one is the announcement last time. This is the details of the course. What all will be covered here, I will tell. First of all these courses, see these three and also further, whichever course I conduct here, I will give notes for that one, a very systematic notes. How will be the notes and why notes are required, I will discuss it in one more class, next class. So next class will be details of the notes for the course. As I told you, this course is entirely free course because why? It is uploaded in the YouTube as public. Notes are required so that you can club the class with the notes and combine together, you can learn a lot of things. You don't know how much effort I have to put for preparing the notes of this one. Therefore, for the notes, there will be some nominal fee or charge will be there, very nominal. I don't want to talk much about this one today. When I upload my next class, I will give details of those things, how you can get the notes from me, I will tell in that class. Now, these three subjects, after completing, I told I will go to this one, this remaining part. So once I complete everything, I will see to it that so far nowhere you can see a course conducted like this or a course which will be conducted in future. This I told the last class also. See, I will give with the full detailed course so that those who go through the complete course will get the ultimate grip on the subject. Now, 1 minute. Light raining started. When it rains here, sound will come. So that's why I stopped earlier. Now rain stopped. Very small, little rain. Okay, now okay, no sound now. Now, further if you go here, during this course, see, usually in engineering mechanics, what I am going to tell now will not come much. But when you go to strength of materials and structure analysis, and of course, when you go to RCC, steel, and design-oriented subjects, logical reasons or so many logic will come. What I usually do, people, those who come to my class already, they know it. What I do is, to understand the logic, I give plenty of practical example outside structural engineering. If I tell some requirement is there, see, for example, I will tell right now only, just to see that how the class will run. There is a term called minimum requirement and maximum limit. If one value is there, there is nothing to worry. So, for example, I will tell now, for passing in examination, minimum requirement of marks is 40 out of 100. If I ask a student in the class, means what? You should, in examination, you should take either 40 or he will tell, sir, more. Oh, good. Then I will tell, speed limit. In the road, speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour. Means what? You should drive at a speed of either 80 or all will tell, sir, less than 80. Why? Practical knowledge. But the same thing, when you apply in RCC, steel, etc., multiple minimum requirement comes, people get doubt. So many people get doubt. Shall I take lesser value? See, suppose minimum requirements, 2-3 values are there. Usually from codal requirements. Shall I take higher value, lesser value? No one will tell average value. It is nonsense. Again, doubts will come. And maximum limit. So for so many things, there are maximum limits. Again, doubt. Shall I take higher or lesser? For all that one, what I am going to do is not explaining here now. See, along with this course, I will conduct parallelly some other courses. But remember, it will run parallelly. Uploading, there is no uploading time for that one. This is regular. Time I will decide. One particular time I will stick to it. One of them will be some mathematical concept required or answer for so many logical questions. Second one, some very tricky basic concept. Very tricky. Questions which are unanswered. Majority of people, I think it is more than 99.99%, they cannot answer the question. One question I asked you last time about some reacting moment, I think. I won't discuss here now. Then further, apart from that one, some puzzles. Puzzle means what? Quiz type classes. I will ask a question. I will ask a doubt. I will not clarify in the same class. I will wait for reply. Some tricky questions or mind-blowing or what you call brain teasers, that I will simultaneously add in between. It will come parallelly. That all you can use it for a very thorough knowledge. But right now, this will be the course I am going to start. So now, I won't go further because there is no point in explaining too much more for this course now. I already told. Now I will go for next. My next class will be regarding notes. notes. As soon as the next class is over, immediate next class, I'll put here. Immediate next class will be starting of engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics. What way I conduct the class, wait for some time, and see, this is for those who want the notes. What are the requirements? I will tell in the next class. There also, in the description, I will paste a link where you can see more details by my handwriting only. Okay. Further, I don't have to tell. Nothing is required to be told, I think. Lastly, I will tell, see that maximum people utilize this one, and I get more and more support from everybody. See that this will reach maximum possible. I cannot keep on asking every time. I have seen people asking, please subscribe, please like, please share, like that. I will tell, please share. Subscribe or like is for your choice. Like comes from here. You cannot demand like, please like the class. No. If you like it, you like it. That's all. So, but sharing, I have to ask you. So that is one thing which you have to carry out, so that my classes will not just end here. It will continue further and cover complete structural engineering. Okay. Now, one small important information. In this class, what I will do is to see how I take the class and how corresponding notes are given. What I will do is one simple example I will take in the class from engineering mechanics. Simple one. I have decided already. First simple is resultant for two concurrent force system. Of course, lot of concept is there. Then what I took in the class, for that one, notes will be given there, which will be a sample of the notes. So anybody can see that notes by downloading it. You have to click the link, notes will come in the Google Drive. That I will give for next class. Then you decide, and I will explain furthermore about the notes. Then you decide whether you want the notes or not. If you want, go through the details there, and you can go ahead to get the notes. Okay, then I think nothing more to tell now, because I do not want to waste time on telling details only. This is because last time announcement, this time little more details. That's all. Okay. Thank you. Hope you see that my effort will reach maximum people. Once again, I am telling for you. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next class, that is regarding the notes, and immediately next will be the starting of the course. Okay. Thank you.